Hi guys, I'm gonna try because it's been requested to do a burping video. Yes, people want that for some weird reason. I wonder if I could do letters. So gross. But you asked for it, so. If it wants to come out. That was a burp. Pretty big one. I'm kind of feeling a little sick to my stomach from doing this. Ugh, some of you guys are gonna unsubscribe. I can just see it. This. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Enjoy. Ugh. And watch my other videos. They're not as gross as this one.